Magic Breeze Lavender. Formulated with the proprietary MCA-II malodor inhibition technology, provides immediate and long-lasting odor control. Whether you dilute the concentrate for space spraying or add it to a cleaner for long-term malodor control, Magic Breeze fills your facility with an exceptional fragrance to please and satisfy staff and guests alike. Magic Breeze is the easy solution for the odor control needs in restrooms, kennels and veterinarian clinics, hotels, schools, locker rooms, garbage collection areas, or any other area in need of long-lasting deodorization.